G'day. This week we're going to have a look at home loans and look at the rates that are advertised. So when you look at a home loan rate, there's always going to be an underlying figure, and that might be a 4.5% return or a rate that they're going to charge you. So that's the advertised rate, but by law the banks also have to put in the comparison rate. So that might be 4.93%. So what I've done recently is just asked a few questions and to learn more than what makes up this comparison rate. So this is a live example that I've just completed, and it's based on a 25-year loan and $150,000 lend. So what goes into this comparison rate? So this is one cost, and this is the all-up costs, including other associated costs to get the loan set up, to keep the loan going on an annual basis, and also to wind the loan up. So in this calculation, there's a $600 application fee, there's $395 per annum, to keep the loan going. Now obviously not all banks have these, and there was also a $300 discharge fee to wind and get your title back, or to change loans. So when you total up these costs, and particularly this one on the $150,000 loan, that's where your interest rate doesn't look as attractive as it was, and it jumps up by 0.43%. So these fees, particularly the ongoing fees, has a significant impact on your loans. And I think it's worth saying that there's only really two ways that you can have a really significant impact on your loan. One is you pay more off as often as you can, and the other way is have a low interest rate. Now, some of the interest rates we're seeing at the moment, we've spoken to Anthony Redfern, our mortgage broker that works in-house here. The lowest rate that's about at the moment, that's a 4, is about 4.1%, and the comparison rate is pretty well around that as well. It might be 0.02% higher. So when it comes to rate, that's about the lowest we're seeing at the moment, which is really good value. We are seeing a lot of clients that are up around 4.6 up to 5%, so there's significant value in at looking at refinancing. For those who would like to learn a little bit more about some of the tricks of the trade and what you can do with your home loan, in the description below we'll put a link to our landing page where you can download our Home Loan Nightmares. It's 5 things the bank doesn't want you to know. So that's all about, again, just paying your home loan off as quickly as possible. So you can subscribe to get that 3 document. If this video was helpful and this information was good, please give us the thumbs up. That'd be great. Thanks very much, and I'll speak to you next week.